A lot of people don't value automotive mechanics for whatever reason, but you know, we stick to our values and we try to work with the highest amount of integrity.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools Spotlight Edition, where we spotlight individuals and businesses in the community doing great things. So I got a question for you guys. Do you trust your mechanic? Well, I trust these guys over here at Dr. Carfix. Let's hear what they have to say about being an honest mechanic.
My name is Nelson Batiste, owner of Dr. Carfix. I'm a second generation owner. And me and my father, we've been doing it together for about 11 years. I've been owning it for about 17, 18 years. Prior to that, my dad owned it, and we've been in this location in Inglewood since 1984. Okay, what made me get into the business was my father. When I got out of college, he came and asked me if I would help him. And what made me get into the business is just an opportunity to be my own boss and work my own hours. And that was my biggest thing, is I wanted to work for myself. I didn't know what I was going to do, but because in college, not my minor, but my major was entrepreneurial strategy. So this was the perfect opportunity when I got out of college. I said, oh wow, no brainer, let me go over there and help my dad. All right, so yeah, in this industry, there's a lot of big misconceptions. It's not an easy industry, but the industry is moving into a lot of electrical, a lot of different modules that communicate with one another. Cars are getting way more complicated. You're not gonna be able to work on them in your backyard. What I do to keep up to date is I take classes every year to keep me informed on what's coming out, what's new, and also I renew my information on the old cars as well. What you're looking at right now is an International Scout. It's a classic car, it's a 74. And we like toying with cars, it's fun. Right here, this is an air filter. These are obsolete on new cars now, but these are for an old car. Underneath, you have a carburetor. You have your distributor, your ignition wires, and then you can see the nice chrome valve covers. And then underneath the valve cover is your cylinder head, which connects to your engine. So the pandemic, it really hasn't affected business. I mean, we did close down for 2 months, but once we learned that we were an essential business, we were able to reopen our doors. Automotive repair, You're always going to need automotive repair. So we're pretty much recession-proof, pandemic-proof. It's a great business to have. The most difficult part of this business is when a customer comes in for one thing and then there's several things that need to get fixed in order to resolve the one issue that it's having. And it's kind of hard to convey that information to clients. People are always thinking that they're being cheated or being overcharged for automotive repair, but it's a process of elimination type of business. And you fix the obvious problem first, then you move on to the more detailed information that needs to get done. That's just how it works in this business. And it's a big misconception. Another big misconception is when you get a code that you're supposed to replace that part. The code is just a clue on what area or what system to check. So the greatest thing about this business, the good thing is that when we do fix the car and the car is done right, the customer's happy, everybody's happy, we're all satisfied. And it's really rewarding to get a car in and fix it and send the customer on their way and not see them again until their next failure or breakdown. Drive big, you got the spin big. The worst thing to deal with is when a client comes from another shop and either their car has been worked on or they've been given a price. Everyone's price is different. Even if you were to go to the dealership, they have a different price. And a lot of people don't value automotive mechanics for whatever reason, but you know, we stick to our values and we try to work with the highest amount of integrity. And we really truly try to get the job fixed right the first time. I mean, we are human beings and we make errors just like anyone else in any other profession who makes errors. And we try our best to correct any errors we do make, but we do give our 100% best to get it done right the first time, because that's our job, and we really do try. And it's really hard when you go to another shop and they give a really inexpensive price and you're like, oh yeah, but the reality is there's something that they're not telling you that needs to be done. And that's just what it is. You know, you definitely want to go somewhere where you're getting good quality work and that they're using good quality parts as well.
Hey guys, Nelson and his dad are really good mechanics. So if you happen to be swinging through Inglewood anytime soon and you need your car looked at, don't be afraid to go check them out. So if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button so everybody can get a chance to see it. It really helps. And guys, don't forget to support the businesses in your community. See you soon.